Okay, this is our navigation bar we have made. So let's see you in another lesson. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel Mugisha Isaiah Stories, and then you get many lessons. Thank you. How we can make a navigation bar. Okay, first, number one, let's create a folder. Let's name it navbar. Let's hear it navbar. Okay, let's open our VS Code. And then go here and then drag your folder and then copy it. Okay, hello everyone. Okay, well, as you see, we have created a folder. Named navbar, and then in the VS Code our folder is navbar, and then we have a files index.html and the style.css. So we are going to make we are going to study how we can make a navbar. Please be patient on this video, and if you like it, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel Mugisha Isaiah Stories. Okay, friends, our name of our website will be navigation bar. Okay, a navigation bar is basically a list of links. Here, this is a links that can help a user to pass through another using your links. Okay, to make a navbar, we are going to use unordered list because navigation bar is a list of links. If it's a list of links, you have to use a list. Let's use unordered list. Make it using some more lists, and then add links. It's a list of links. Okay, and then here it's at home. Let's copy this one and then copy it 4 times. Okay, here let's add home. Here course, and then let's add here about us. Here contact us. Okay, finish. Let's go here. You have to connect this one, HTML and CSS. I will write link where you have to write link and then hit enter, and then add your style. Come here in CSS. Let's add some default. Let's margin 0 and padding 0. Okay, and then go in our folder, then open it. Okay, this is our navigation bar. Let's style. We are going to style it. Okay, you Alan Nandri. Okay, let's add text decoration, list style type none, float, left. Then let's copy this one, and then add a link. Here we have a display block. Now let's color gray, padding 9 pixels and 10 pixels. Let's see. Okay, let's add another color because this color is not display well. Okay, font size 20 pixels, and font family let's add sans serif. Let's see. Yes, okay. Now navigation bar is now looking best. Let's remove this and line it. Text decoration in none, and text transform. Let's add capitalize it. Let's see. Okay. Here another one. Let's add any background color. Let's add brown. Let's add a new background for our navigation bar. It's background linear gradient to right, blue, gray, yellow. Okay. Okay, as you see, this is our background. Now we are going to see how you can make let's add an margin. Margin 20 pixel, 12 pixel. Okay, let's add any margin 8 pixel, 20 pixel. Okay, nice. Then here was too big. Okay, like that. We are going to add any hover. Then here let's remove this one, Ctrl V. Then you add the hover. Then add the hover. Add the hover. Background. Gray. Here let's add another border, none, border 20 pixel. Okay, this is our navigation bar. Let's add any white. Okay, this is our navigation bar we have made. So let's see you in another lesson. Make sure you have subscribed to my channel Mugisha Isaiah Stories, and then you get many lessons. Thank you.